Right. You know, when plants are in a pot and they kind of stop growing because the roots know that there isn't enough space and they just stay the same. Or even worse, they just wither and die because there isn't enough space for them to grow and flourish. Ah, you're like that. If you're in a space where you can't spread yourself and grow and just be nourished by your environment, then you're gonna stay the same. You're just gonna be the same thing, or even worse, deteriorate. You need repotting. If you're in a place where you can't put down your roots, if you can't absorb all the goodness, if you can't you need repotting. I mean, I don't know how else I can put it. Yeah, if you're not nourished by your environment, repot yourself and flourish.